Hello and welcome to Finance Rules. I'm Leah Elizabeth and today we're going to be talking about NNDM, Nano Dimensions, my favorite stock. But first, I'd like to thank you guys for all your feedback from my previous video. It's very constructive criticism, which I really appreciate. Obviously, I have a better setup right now. I have a noise canceling filter in my mic. I have better lighting. And you'll see with my screen share that it's just a better system. So continue giving me feedback because you know what? It helps me out. And if it helps me out, you know what? I'm going to help you out and I'm going to talk to you today about the opportunities that NNDM can bring to you. All right, let's see if this works. Screen? Ooh, fancy. Okay, so do you like my new border? I love it. I love pink and purples and blues. Anyways, let's get on to the video. So today I'm going to be talking to you about even how the economy can be affecting NNDM right now because there's lots going on in the world. Some technical analysis, recent trends, what's going on with NNDM this past week, what are my speculations, what's going on with these direct offerings, some of the merger acquisition, what's going on with that, what's the speculations going on there. So I'm going to give you my speculations, I'm going to give you my 2 cents. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think with these speculations? And you know what? We'll find out in the coming week. Basically, the American government has decided to pump out money. By that, I mean print. And no, they're not using NNDM to print this paper. It is just printer paper. Actually, not even, because they just add digits to zero. Like, oh, we owe this much. You know what? We're going to add another zero. It's not even with paper. But that's besides the point. Anyways, how does it affect the stock market? Well, it looks like everyone's going to be getting second stimulus checks to pump up the economy. $900 billion relief package. 900 billion. Billion. Okay, this is crazy money. This is a lot of money, okay? And what's going to happen? The economy is going to inflate. So what does this mean for us as consumers? This means that our dollar is worth less than it did before, okay? So for example, you go buy a Timmy Tea and, a large Timmy Tea would cost you $2. Now it's going to cost you $2.20, okay? Your money is worth less than it did before. You need more money now to buy the same stuff, okay? Who is this good for? Businesses. They're making more money. Chances are, I don't know, their costs are probably relatively the same, but now they're making an extra profit. That's in my opinion. I don't know. This is speculation, okay? But the consumer misses out. The consumer might decide, you know what, the prices are too high today, I'm not even going to buy, which is bad for businesses, okay? But everybody's got to eat, so, So I researched this a little, and it says here a good point. Dividend-paying stocks are affected by inflation. When inflation is on the upswing, which it might be right now, okay, income stock prices generally decline. What's an income stock? That is a dividend stock, okay? So owning dividend-paying stocks in times of increasing inflation usually means the stock prices will decrease, okay? So get rid of your dividend investments and buy NNDM, okay? So anyways, back to this video of NNDM. This is another point that I'm making, that you should be investing into growth stocks and not into, for example, dividend stocks, because inflation is coming. And I wanted to talk to you about these direct offerings that NNDM constantly puts out, okay? So look, direct offering was here. Consolidated. Direct offering. Consolidated. Gap up. Direct offering. Consolidated. Gap up. Actually right here, direct offering. Consolidated. Then they issued it at like 3 days later. It was crazy. Another direct offering. And then it consolidated, okay? And now you might be wondering, well, what's going on this past week? Like, why are we kind of just going sideways? Like, is it going to go down or is it going to go up? Like, why the hold up here? Like, we got these 2 deep dips here. What's going on? You know what I think? Potentially, it could have been, it might have been Hanukkah. NNDM is an Israeli company, okay? So who knows about NNDM? Who works at NNDM? Who talks about NNDM the most? Probably the Israelis. What are they too busy doing right now? They're celebrating Hanukkah. So look, Hanukkah started from December 10th, which was here, and ended on Friday, which was the 18th. Okay? Right here. So this dip and this dip, possibly, I don't know, it's speculative, but there was no news that came out with NNDM, okay? So this is all we have to work with. That might have been the reason why these couple dips happened. But you know what? Hanukkah's over. These stimulus packages are coming in. People are going to be having this money. They're going to invest it. Inflation might be coming to boost stocks, okay? This is what I'm thinking, okay? And this week was a crazy week. It was literally a roller coaster, okay? But I was so happy when it went through my buy orders. Each buy order it went through, I was like, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. But you know what? I'm holding this time. But you know what, guys? They might do another direct offering. This is what I'm thinking, okay? This is how we're gonna play it. November 20th, there was a $4 offering, and then it got pumped to $5.88, increased by 47%. On November 29th, okay, the offering was $5. It pumped it to $7.39, 47% increase. December 6th, a $6 offering, pumped to $7.97, a 33% increase, okay? We don't know if there's going to be another direct offering, when there's going to be a direct offering, and for how much, but you can kind of see a pattern here, right? 4, 5, 6. Might there be a $7 direct offering coming? Maybe. And even if that does happen, what do you think that would pump the stock price to? Well, definitely over 8. You know, I'd say at least 8.50, maybe even 9, depending on when they put the direct offering. Okay? If the stock is at, you know, $9, $10 now, and then they do a stock offering at 7, it's gonna pump higher than $8. It might go to $9, okay? This is all speculative, right? It's what everybody thinks is gonna happen. It's rumors, it's talk. A $7 offering might not even ever happen. Who knows, okay? But I'm just giving you guys what kind of pattern that I see here, because I'm an analyst at heart. I see these things, I see the patterns in the data, and I just want to warn you about it, okay? In my opinion, this is gonna go past this, okay? It's gonna hit $8 next week, is my opinion. But I don't think that they're going to issue another direct offering until it hits like $8.59. At least I hope. And then they're gonna do a $7 offering, okay? But you know what? I might just hold this time instead of swing trade it, because I have such a good price right now, like $6, you know? Even if they have a $7 offering. And you know what I was thinking before? Okay, when I was buying at $6, everyone was like, oh my God, what's going on? What's going on? I put a large order at $6 because you know what? Here's the logic. If they have a direct offering of $180 million at $6 price target, what does that mean? That means that an institutional investor spent $180 million bet that Nano Dimension is a buy. They put $180 million at $6 price target, okay? Shouldn't you? With your, you know, chump change compared to 160 million, if you have 2 grand, 10 grand, 100 grand even, compare that to 180 grand. Don't you think that direct offering price is a good price? I think so. So if a direct offering comes at $7, do you think $7 is a good price? I think so. Right? Anyways, from all these direct offerings, they're sitting on $400 million of cash, okay? This company has no debt. They have $400 million just waving it around in the breeze, okay? And everyone's speculating, what are they gonna do? Are they gonna buy a product? Are they gonna acquire a company? Are they gonna merge with somebody? Are they gonna be bought out, okay? This is a formula for growth, guys. okay? $400 million. No debt. Growth. This is growth, guys. I think that they're going to acquire a privately owned company, and it's going to help them make new profits on their new nanos profit-making capabilities. They're going to be selling inks. They're going to be printing on demand, basically, for companies like, oh, you need a circuit board? Here you go. You need this? I got you. They're going to do all of that in-house for other companies. Instead of buying a Dragonfly printing machine, which is like $400,000, they're going to be doing the printing themselves, which is going to generate a lot of cash, okay? So I think they're going to acquire a private company that's going to help them facilitate that. That's my speculation, okay? But another interesting speculation is, what if a company buys them out? So for example, Lockheed Martin, okay? Lockheed Martin is huge in the space world, okay? Look, NASA awards Lockheed Martin, these other guys, Mars Technologies. Lockheed Martin will receive $90 million for an in-space demonstration mission using liquid hydrogen, okay? Lockheed Martin doesn't have 3D printing. They're going to need to buy 3D printing devices and things on an ongoing basis from NNDM to make their ventures profitable. What would make them in a long-term growth profitable situation? Acquiring NNDM, right? Might happen, okay? And if that happens, it might not be so great for NNDM. So say Lockheed Martin says that they're going to buy NNDM out at $8, okay? So the price will shoot up a little bit, and then you sell, you get out, okay? Because once that happens, the stock is just going to disappear. What sucks about that as NNDM investors is that we lose out on all the long-term growth potential, right? We're kind of like out. We got sold out, right? So we take our profits and we walk away, but we're not a part of the game anymore. And Lockheed Martin might increase their stock price because of that, right? Because they're acquiring another company. Also, it might be Lockheed Martin because he recently just joined the board of directors of NNDM. So that's a little kind of like, why would he want to do that? Why does he want to influence on NNDM? Does he want to kind of get a foot in the door and figure things out? All right, so those are my thoughts on NNDM. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing another video about press releases and what's out there for information on NNDM. So make sure to check out that video above, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.